Morning, every single day we back at the gym. Today we're going to work on chest. We're going to do incline bench press, flat bench press, flies, and we're going to throw some triceps in there also. I will be showing you my workout. I will also list my workout routine in my description. Thank you for liking, following, and sharing. And over the weekend, I celebrated my birthday in Mexico. I'm now 59. Hope you guys get your workout in. Talk to you soon.